Hello guys, so now this is a particular platform that was launched that I just want to introduce you guys. Okay, so this particular platform is called Walmart. You understand? So about 1 month ago I brought a platform which is still paying, which is known as what Kagel. It is still paying. Okay, so I just want us to also try this platform also and see. Okay, this platform is a very good platform. As I see, sometimes when you look at the platform, their daily profit, and then their packages over here, it will tell you that this particular platform is a long-term platform that I just want to introduce you. So now if you register with my link, you are gonna get free 8 Ghana cedis over here, right? So if you get the free 8 Ghana cedis, if you want to top up, you can top up over there to buy any packages for yourself. You understand? Now let me teach you about the product that they are having, and then the kind of package that they are having. Okay, please, this platform is a long-term platform, okay, because it has been in a system and it is still paying. Okay, it wasn't registered today, it has been in a system and it is still paying. You understand? So if you go to this where the 15 product over here, you're gonna see their products over here, right? Oh sorry, let's go to the home over here. The product here shows that it shows about the amount of product that you have bought. You understand? So we don't have any product yet. Okay, so if you check over here, you're gonna see their packages right here. Okay, now this particular platform can make you a lot of money. Now if you check, they have from T1 up to T10 cycles. You understand? So for the T1 cycle, you need 140 Ghana cedis to join the T1, and your daily income is 10 cedis, 50 pesos for 60 days. At the end of the 60th day, you are going to earn 630 Ghana cedis. But this one, you don't have to wait for the 60 days to reach before you can make withdrawal. The moment you reach the minimum withdrawal, you can be able to withdraw. You understand? So this platform is a long-term platform, guys. Those of you who know very well about online businesses, you testify that this platform is a long-term platform. It's not like the other ones that they come and go within a week or within a month. You understand? Disclaimer: this is not a financial advice. I am not your financial advisor, so don't take this video as a financial advice. I only teach how things works out for me. You understand? If the thing works out for me good, I bring it for everybody to also see. If you want to join, please make sure that you do your own research before you join any other site I post over here. Please, I am not responsible for any loss that you are going to make in the future, for this is not a financial advice, so take note. Okay, now if you check for the T2 over here also, you are going to earn 240 Ghana cedis. Or you need 240 Ghana cedis to join the T2. That one, to daily income is 18 Ghana cedis, which also goes for 60 days, and then the end of the 60th day, you're gonna earn this amount of money, 1080 Ghana cedis. The T3 too, you need 480 Ghana cedis to join the T3. Okay, daily income of 36 cedis, 50 pesos, and then the T4 also, you need 980 Ghana cedis. Daily income is 75 Ghana cedis for 60 days. Okay, and you're gonna earn 4,500. As I said, you don't have to wait for the days to reach before you can make withdrawal. You can make withdrawal the moment you reach the minimum withdrawal. Okay, now the T5 too, you need 1,400 cedis, and then it goes for daily 108 Ghana cedis. And then if you check the T6 also, you need 1,755 Ghana cedis. Daily income of 137 Ghana cedis for 60 days. Okay, and then at the end of the 60th day, you're gonna earn this amount of money. If you check the T7 over here also, you need 2,480 Ghana cedis to join the T7 for 195 Ghana cedis daily profit for 60 days. Okay, and then in T8 also, you need 4,980 Ghana cedis, daily income of what, 401 Ghana cedis. Then the T9 too, you need 10,900 Ghana cedis, daily income of 1,109 Ghana cedis. And then the last one, which is the T10, you need 26,000 Ghana cedis, daily income of 3,250 Ghana cedis for 60 days. At the end of the 60th day, you're gonna earn 195,000 Ghana cedis, guys. So this platform is, it's very good. Okay, it's doing very well. Okay, so now that one is a brand store. Okay, and then they have the flagship store. Okay, so the flagship store over here also, that's the N10. That one you need 10,200 Ghana cedis to join the N10, right? And then the daily income of 1,570 Ghana cedis for 60 days. So any one of them that you buy, you can still be able to make your money for yourself. You understand? So if you want to chat the customer service, this is here what they are, contact here. You can chat them for any question, and you can also read about this particular platform. When you read about us over here, you can read more about this particular platform. You understand? So now let me teach you about how much do you need to how do you do the recharge, and then the minimum withdrawal withdraw daily. Okay, so first of all, if you want to recharge, I am gonna recharge right now. So I just want to join. I'll click on the recharge over here, but before then let me see the packet that I just want to join. Okay, so I want to go for the T1 140 Ghana cedis, right? So I'll click on the recharge here, then the amount that you want to recharge, you enter it over here. So 140 Ghana cedis. Okay, I'll enter it over here, right? Then when you finish, you choose the network, either MTN or Airtel. So I want to use MTN. Then deposit address, so this is the number that you are going to use to transfer the money, this MTN number. So copy the MTN number over here. When you copy it, then you just go and send the money. The name that will come is Victoria Ajamli Vibe Star Pop. Okay, but maybe your number will be different from my number. You understand? So if your number is different from my number, maybe you may not see the same name. Okay, but if you transfer it, it will come. When you finish transferring the money, then you go and copy your transaction ID, and then you enter it over here. Then the depositor name, the number that you use to transfer the money, then the name on that particular Momo number, come and enter it over here. You understand? If you use your own SIM card to transfer the money, then the name on your SIM card, come and put that number, that name over here. Okay, when you finish, you click on confirm over here. Right now, they said after recharge is completed, please fill in your TID number and the name of the recharger. Recharge can be made at any time of the day. Now on this particular platform, you can recharge at any time. Okay, at any time. To ensure that your recharge is successful and approved on time, please provide correct recharge information when recharging, including your registration number, transaction ID. If you upload a false transaction ID number, your superior and subordinate account will be blocked. If you upload the same recharge TID number multiple times, or use the same recharge TID number in multiple accounts, your superior and subordinate account will be blocked. Members, please follow our guidelines to avoid any restriction of your account. Now guys, let me tell you something. This particular platform, they don't entertain multiple accounts. Guys, I just want to tell you this. They don't entertain multiple accounts. If you create multiple accounts, your account is going to be blocked. Don't create multiple accounts on the same phone. You understand? If you have a phone over here, don't create multiple accounts on the same phone. I hope you understand. Please don't say I didn't tell you this. If you come to my DM and come and complain to my DM, I will not mind you, because I have told you already. Don't create multiple accounts with the same phone. You understand? Yes, or with the same IP address. Okay, so make sure that you go with one account and make your money over here. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you click on the withdraw over here, right? Then you enter the amount that you want to withdraw over here. Then the fee that they charge is 8%. Okay, then you choose the network, then deposit address, the number that you want them to send the money onto, you put that number over here. Then your Momo name, you put your Momo name over here, you click on confirm. Now, how much is the minimum withdrawal? The minimum withdrawal is over here. The minimum withdrawal is 31 Ghana cedis. That's the minimum withdrawal, 31 Ghana cedis. Okay, yes. So, and one thing is, somebody may ask, what time do you do the withdrawal? For this particular platform, you can withdraw at any time, any day. At any time, any day. They don't have, like, let's say 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. No, you can withdraw at any time, at any day. Anytime, any day. It could be 9, 8, 6, 7, 5 p.m., 8 a.m., whatever, 10 p.m. or even 12 a.m. You can still withdraw. Okay, so now the minimum withdrawal being 31 Ghana cedis. This shows that for the T1, you earning 10 cedis, 50% per day, you can be able to make your withdrawal in 3 days time. Okay, then the T2 over here too, daily income is 18 cedis. So it means in 2 days time you can be able to make withdrawal. And then the T3 daily income is 36 Ghana cedis. It means from T3 going, you can be able to make withdrawal every single day. I hope you understand. So that's the minimum withdrawal, guys. So now I want to go and do my recharge. Okay, then you enter the amount that I want to recharge. So I want to enter 140 Ghana cedis. So after that, then I'll copy this number to go and send the money onto this number. Okay, very good. Okay, Then I will choose the option 1, transfer money. After copying the number, okay, then Momo user, then I'll click on enter mobile number and send. Enter it again and send, right? Then I'll enter the amount. So I want to deposit 140 Ghana cedis for the T1. Then I'll enter the reference. You can enter anything. Let's say you want to use your username or anything. After you finish sending the money, you're gonna receive an SMS, right, from the MTN. Okay, so now you see where they've written when they received the message, they said transaction ID. Here is it over here. So transaction ID here, this is the ID that they have sent to you. Okay, so you just have to click on it once like this, and then you copy the ID, right? So when you copy the ID, if you are using YAM, you can still use your YAM phone to copy the ID. Okay, so just look at the YAM and then type the number one by one over there. So after you finish sending the money, you come to that place again, then you click on this place, enter transaction ID, then you paste the ID that you copied over there, then the depositor name, the name that is on your Momo number, okay, the name on your Momo number or the number you used to send the money, enter that Momo name over here. When you finish, then you click on confirm. That is all. Okay, now you could see that within some few seconds the money has reflected in my account. So now I have 148 Ghana cedis in my account. Okay, so I'm going to buy the product right now. So I'll click on the home over here. Okay, then I'll scroll down and click on choose join this one. Okay, T1. Then when I click on it, then I'll click on what? Buy. Okay, click on a buy over here, click on confirm. That is all. So I've been able to buy the T1 product, which every day I'll be earning 10 cedis, 50 Ghana cedis in my 50 pesos in my account, guys. So this is how it is. That is today's date. You understand? 12/29. Okay, so every single day you will be seeing your money in your account, and then I'll be making videos consistently about this particular platform so that you can understand everything. So if you want to make withdrawal, it's very simple. As I show you, follow the same steps, and then I'll be making live withdrawal when I reach the minimum withdrawal threshold. Okay, now when you join their WhatsApp platform over here, anytime you receive your withdrawal and then you take a screenshot and you send it into this platform, they are going to give you a free reward. Now check this person. He said, I have withdrawn cash from Walmart 8 times. The best platform. This is long term. Thank you, Walmart. You see somebody has made 8 times withdrawal from this particular platform. This tells you how this platform is what is paying. So anytime you receive withdrawal, just take a screenshot from the SMS that you receive, then come and post it in the group over here. Then you add your number to it. Okay, then that is all. They are gonna give you free money. Okay, they're gonna give you free money, guys. So just follow this instruction to get free money as well from this particular platform. So please, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.